Blump airdrop listing date excites community. Reach 5 million followers on X. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Crypto Jewel. Today, I will share with you with this update on the Blump airdrop. So if you have Blump, so keep mining, keep tapping and doing the tasks to get more coins or token, no? So Blump airdrop listing date, attracting crypto enthusiasts, hit 5 million on X. So recently they reached milestone by hitting 5 million followers on Twitter. Then the exciting news make millions likes and comments. Then the members they are just asking about the airdrop listing date, the official listing, and the token generation event. So this is in their post, in their account in the Twitter. Hook up to 5 million followers on Twitter. How to? That's for a morning. Hashtag Elon Musk. Thanks for love, Blump family. So the Blump listing date is highly anticipated, with many expecting the official announcement soon. So there is no yet listing date. The buzz surrounding the Blump airdrop news has created immense excitement, particularly as the community expect to hit 10 million Twitter followers, no? So in addition, in its growing Twitter presence, Blump Crypto boasts 50 million Telegram users and 26 million Telegram subscribers. So their popularity and strong community backing. So as of September, the other day, they hold a strong position in the crypto market, mainly in terms of followers and user base. So in this chart, so number 1 is Hunt and Stealth Combat, the Blump got this into market and Rocky Rabbit in the Twitter followers, then in the Telegram followers. So as you say, Blump has 5 million Twitter followers, 26 million Telegram subscribers, no? So the price could be range 0.10 to 0.15 in the end of the 2024, depending on the market condition. Then upon listing, the estimate is 0.05 to 0.8 shortly after the listing. Okay, so if you have a million token or 100,000 token, so that is a big income. Okay, so I will put my link to this want to try this Blump token in Telegram. Remember, Blump is a decentralized exchange, but they built their own Telegram game or mining. Okay, so thank you for watching. I hope you learned something today, and of course don't forget to like, share and comment, and hit the notification bell for more videos about meme token and Telegram gaming. And of course don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, Crypto Jewel. Thank you and have a nice day to all.